Welcome to Eat, Pray, Plan. I'm Rebecca. I'm a wife, a homeschool mom to two adventurous boys, and I plan our lives one sticker at a time. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that have helped me plan a happy life in hopes that they can help you too. So if you want to see how I do that, come plan with me. I am back with another unboxing video, and this one is a very special video because Amber from Planything reached out to me a few months ago and was so generous and offered to send me her June sub box. So this box was supposed to get here probably like 3 weeks ago. And there was some issue with the post office and it did not get to me until yesterday, all the way from the Netherlands. But Amber was so generous, and I still wanted to share this box with you because even though the contents of this box are for June, so the previous month, she does release a box every single month. So the July box is already up on her Instagram. So if you want to check it out, you can check it out here. This is her Instagram account. And she did mention that there are still a few of these boxes, so this June theme, via email if you want to purchase it. So you can always reach out to her and get one of these boxes for yourself. So I have not opened it yet. I did see online a few of the things and I loved what I saw. So I am excited to open this box with you. Okay, let's get started. So this box is called Tropical Summer. Planything, that is the name of the company. And let me move this out of the way. So it comes first with a little card with the name of the box, and just look how summery the theme is. I love it. And then on the back it says, "Hi, thank you for purchasing the Tropical Summer Planything box. This box includes 6 8x6 sticker sheets, 4 double-sided A5 paper sheets, 4 4x4 washi tapes, 3 paper clips, 1 sticker storage, 1 notepad, and 1 pen." So let's see all this awesomeness. Okay, so first we can see here the washi, and it is, let me open it so we can see it better. It's a yellow washi with coconuts and watermelon, because we all need coconuts and watermelons in the summer, right? So look how pretty this washi is. It is beautiful. So that's the first washi tape. And then the second is this really pretty pink one. Okay. And let me see, here it is. Flamingos and tropical leaves. Beautiful. So 2 washis, and then let's see what's in here. Whoa, you guys, there's so much in this box. I will share the price and the email where you can purchase this on the description box below. Remember again that this content is for June, but you can purchase the one for July, which is called Floral Beach, and I have seen it and it is beautiful. Okay, whoa guys, look at that pen. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's nothing else. Okay, wow, look at this. This is so cute. Okay. So let's start with this little notebook. I'm going to turn this card around so I make sure that I give you the right information. So it comes with a notepad. So this is the notepad. It is so cute. Wait, no. No, I take it back. This is the sticker storage. Yes, so this is the storage for these stickers. Awesome. So this is the sticker storage. So cute. I love it. And it has the name of the company here on the inside cover. It's beautiful, you guys. Okay, the sticker storage. Then let's open the stickers. So it comes with 6 sticker sheets. I am using these in my layout this week, you guys. They're beautiful. Look how pretty they are. So summery. I love it. They're paper stickers. They're beautiful. This is to make like a bucket list for the summer. So pretty. I love the font. Look at this page. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Amber, when you watch this video, thank you so much for sending me this. I love them. And then the pineapple pen, you guys. This is a pineapple pen, and let's open the little notepad to see the color of the ink. So it comes with a pen and a notepad. Ooh, look at that, it's black. I love it. So pretty. Okay, so here's the pen and the notepad. Then we have paper clips, 2 paper clips, 3 paper clips. I take it back. Look at this one, how beautiful. So a little leaf, and then a pineapple, and a cute little flamingo. So 3 paper clips. How cute are these? I'm gonna add them to my planner. And then these are the 6, no, these are 4 double-sided A5 paper sheets. So let's see. Popsicles. And oh, this is so pretty. I love this one. Little toucans. And then the watermelon with the coconuts. Beautiful. More watermelons. Oh, this is so pretty to write like a little note to someone. This one's nice. I love this flower. These are so pretty. I love the little cluster of flowers. I'm so happy that it came with a sticker sheet of just those. Okay, so these are the papers, and then these are the other 2 washies. So it does come with a total of 4 washies. Let me see. Here we go. I need to get my scissors to open this one. Oh. Okay, there we go. This is the 3rd washi, and it is beautiful. So this is the 3rd washi that comes in the pack, and then popsicle washies. These are so cute, you guys. Let me see. And the popsicle washi. So these are the 4 washies that come in the set. Okay, so this is it. Isn't it such a beautiful box? I love it. Okay, so let's recap. It comes with 6 A by 6 sticker sheets. Then we have 4 double-sided A5 cardstock papers. Comes with a ton. Then it comes with 4 washies, and it comes with 3 paper clips, and a notepad, a black pen, and a sticker storage. So these are the contents of the June summer box called Tropical Summer by Planything, I'm sorry. And if you want to check her Instagram, I will link everything below, and you can also go on her site and see the other boxes that she has available. This is it. Thank you so much, Amber, again for sending this to me. I am so happy that I'm able to share with you guys. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, to turn on your notifications, and join me here every weekend when I share new content with you. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.